Okay, so here is my half duplex listing in Wylie. Just thought it'd be good to do a quick walkthrough. Walk in the front door here. In the living room. Over there you can see the dining, so we're gonna walk into here. We got the study, our bedroom, and here's the second bathroom. Another one of the 3 bedrooms here. Kitchen, good size, got an island, pantry, laundry room over there, master bedroom, great little house. Looking for an investment property or place to live in, first time buyer, great place. Reach out to me. Have a great one.